everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cecelia. How are you doing today? In today's video, I will be sharing with you another tip on how you can save money and also get some extra dollars. Oh yes, what am I talking about today? If you live in United States of America or in United Kingdom or in Canada, or you live outside African countries or other countries which I will be mentioning, and you want to send money to your loved ones. If you live in abroad and you want to send money to your loved ones in any of these countries that I'll be mentioning, you can actually use any of these two apps that I'll be talking about, and you can get some extra money on top of the money that you are sending. What app am I talking about today? will be talking to you about two apps that you can use to send money from the comfort of your home to your loved ones in abroad without paying any charges. Oh yeah. And I have used those two apps before to send money from United States of America to my GTB Naira account in Nigeria, and I received my money immediately. And another thing about these two apps is that they send the money that you send from dollar, they actually give you a better rate. Oh yes, one of the apps I'll be talking about today is called Lemfi, Lenfi. And if you use my referral code CECELQTL, you will be getting $20 if you send a minimum of $150. Oh yes, I have this $20 when I was referred by somebody. So this is true, guys. This is true. If you use my referral code, if you download the app Lemfi, Lemfi, and you use my referral code, get $20 if you send a minimum of $150, and I also will get $20. Yes, and you can use this app from the comfort of your house, and you get your money immediately. The money that you send it to your receiver, they will get it immediately, and you are not paying any service fee. It is free to use this app. And the countries that you can send money to, they are Kenya, Nigeria, Ghana, Senegal, Ivory Coast, Cameroon, Republic of Benin, Tanzania, Uganda, Rwanda. The countries you can send money to using Lemfi. If you want to use the other app, TapTap, TapTap, see the description above. If you use my referral code CECELI44, ULIA44, you will get $10. I will also get $10. And this app does not charge any additional fee. They don't charge any fee at all. And if you do the transfer right away, you will get your money. Your receiver will get the money immediately. I have used this app before. I've used it to send money to people in Nigeria. I've also used this app to send money to my GTB Naira account in Nigeria, and I received my money immediately. This app is real. Honestly, I'm not joking. I've used this app before. Why would you want to use other app that charges you extra fee, that charges you transaction fee, that even pay you low? Why can't you try this two app? As of today, December 12, 2023, if you send money using Lemfi, Lemfi, $1, they will change it for you at 1,213 Naira. Yes, $1 is to 1,213 Naira on Lemfi. If you're using TapTap, $1 is equivalent to 1,200 Naira. Yes, this is real. You don't have to deal with the bureau de change to help you change your dollars. You do it on this two app, and you get your money immediately. Or your receiver will get the money immediately. Try it out and let me know what other app out there that can beat these two apps that we've talked about in terms of no transaction fee. They don't charge any transaction fee. And in terms of the rate they will give you to change $1 is exactly higher than the black market rate. Try it out, guys, and let me know. And don't forget to use my code on Lemfi, Cecelia, CECECQL, and also on TapTap, CECELIA 44. What are you waiting for? Try it out. Until next time, when I come your way, it's still your girl. I love you all.